Apple recently announced iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 at WWDC, and it supports all the devices from iPhone 6s to the new M1 iPad Pro or that lonely iPod Touch. As of now, only the developer beta is out, and if you want to try it out, you have to pay for an Apple developer account, which would cost you $99 per year, or wait until July for the public beta. But in this video, I will show you how you can install the developer beta right now for free instead of waiting till July for the free public beta. Spoiler alert, the public beta would be way stable compared to the current developer beta, but anyways, here's how we do it. First, open this website, which is betaprofiles.com, linked in the description, to download the beta profile for iOS or iPadOS. You will be given an option to install profile. Now, it would give you a warning just like I stated in the beginning to be warned, as it's a beta install. Select install anyway and select allow to install the profile, and now open settings, go to general, then scroll down until you see profiles, and now you would see the profile we just downloaded. Now install it and restart your device.
A few moments later.
Now if you open settings and check for updates, you would see the developer beta being downloaded right now, and that's about it. You can let it download and install it like any other update. Now if you wish to downgrade, I do have a video about it which you can watch by clicking here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. If you felt it helpful, drop a like and comment down your thoughts on iOS 15 or iPadOS 15. And don't forget to mention your issues, and don't forget to subscribe for some tech videos. This is thank you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.